Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Finance watchlists to your investing plan step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Finance website. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once on the Google Finance homepage, locate the Watchlist section on the left side of the screen. Click on the Create a New Watchlist button. Enter a name for your watchlist that reflects your investment strategy. Start adding stocks to your watchlist by typing in the stock ticker symbols or names. As you search, suggestions will appear. Click on the desired stock to add it to your watchlist. Repeat the process until you have included all relevant stocks. Once your stocks are added, take a moment to review the list for any necessary adjustments. Now, click on the Portfolio tab located at the top of the page. Create a new portfolio by clicking on the Create a Portfolio button. Name your portfolio to align with your investing goals. Add your watchlist stocks to this portfolio by selecting them from your watchlist. Adjust the quantities of each stock to reflect your planned investments. Review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your investing plan. Take note of the performance metrics provided for your stocks. Utilize these metrics to refine your investment strategy further. Regularly revisit your watchlist and portfolio to track performance and make adjustments as needed. Consider setting alerts for significant changes in stock prices or market news related to your investments. This will help you stay informed and make timely decisions based on your investing plan. Finally, incorporate insights from your watchlist and portfolio into your overall investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.